สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Speak Thai right now with me ครูกิฟต์ In this video you will learn how to say how much does it cost in Thai When you come to Thailand you want to buy something you may want to ask how much does it cost There are two words that you need to know The first one is ราคา ราคา means price and the second one is เท่าไหร่ เท่าไหร่ means how much how many Now we put them together ราคาเท่าไหร่ means how much does it cost You repeat after me ราคาเท่าไหร่ ราคาเท่าไหร่ And you can make it shorter and say เท่าไหร่ means how much it's okay as well Okay when you want to say how much does it cost how do you say it Well done! If you like learning Thai with us, follow our channel and see you in the next video. สวัสดีค่ะ Bye!